Alright, let's have a look at a question from simple interest. The question reads something like this. Out of the sum of rupees 625, one part was lent at 5%, another for 10%. If the interest in the first for 2 years is equal to the interest in the second for 4 years, find the second sum amount. Now what you do here is, you'll divide the 625 into two parts. Okay, let's say the first part is x, the next part is 625 minus x. You will say that the first part goes at 5% per annum and the other part goes at 10% per annum. The first part, however, goes for 2 years only, and the second part goes for 4 years. You have all the values here. You have P here, you have R here, you have N here. What you'll do is, you'll use the formula P and R by 100, okay, and equate both the values. So here in the first case, you'll get X into N is 2 years into 5% by 100 is equal to, out there you have 625 minus X, and you have N as 4 years, and you into 4 into 10% upon 100. And then you'll solve for this. You'll solve for X and you'll get the values of X, and then you can find the value of 625 minus X. However, in CET, you can never afford to solve the question in this fashion. The reason being, you have just 30 seconds per question. So how do you solve this question? Let's have a look at this in another way altogether. What you can do here is, 625 is divided into two parts. Let's assume the part as A and B. Okay, just for the understanding, for the first time, understand this, that 5% simple interest for 1 year gets you a return of 5%. Okay, so 5% for every year gives you 5%, and 10% every year gives you 10%. Simple. It's very logical that 5% per annum means every year you receive 5%. Now the interest in the first part for 2 years will be nothing but 10% returns. So you're getting 10% returns on the first part. Similarly, you're getting 10%, the other part is lent at 10% returns for 4 years, however. So you'll say 40% returns, because every year 10% will give you 4 years 40%, so 40% of B. I can say this clearly, that 10% of the returns I get on A is equal to 40% of the returns I get on B. So I can say that A upon B is 40 upon 10 as good as 4 upon 1, which means the two parts that you divide 625 in are in the ratio 4 and 1. Okay, which means totally they give you 5 parts. So basically you can say that 5 parts is 625, so 1 part is 125. So you get the value of B, which is 1 part, as 125, and the value of A, which is 4 parts, as 500. So if you want, you can find both the answers. Okay, so the answer is, you're supposed to find the second part, so it is 125.
Thank you.